There you are, darlings. Here are our beautiful kings. Hello, darlings. Oh, you're happily eating there. Well, so far so good, love, because Cockalock's not here. Cockalock isn't here to chase you away. So you pair get stuck into that, right? You get stuck into that. Because when Cockalocks get here, guess what? You get shoved out. There you are, darlings. There you are, precious ones. Hello, my kings. Kings of the castle. There, darling. Look at you. How beautiful you are. You enjoying it? Yeah. There's a cockalock I can hear somewhere. Well. There you are, darling. You gobble that up. There you are, darling. Hey? You like that? There you are. There, darling. There, darling. You eat that up. Mummy's going inside now. Very hot. Bye.